In this video, we will compare Loom versus Tella, the best screen recorder. When comparing Loom and Vimeo, both platforms offer video hosting solutions, however they cater to different needs. Loom is primarily designed for quick, simple video creation and sharing, particularly in professional and team-based environments. It's a great tool for recording screen captures, video messaging and tutorials. It's often used in the workplace for communication, onboarding and collaboration. Loom provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface which allows users to record videos easily and share them via a link. It's best suited for internal communication or sharing videos that do not require heavy customization or branding. Loom also offers a free plan with essential features, though its paid plans have advanced features like longer videos, unlimited storage and better analytics. On the other hand, Tella is more focused on simplicity and aesthetics, with an emphasis on helping creators produce high quality and visually engaging videos with minimal effort. Tella offers an attractive template and intuitive interface, making it especially appealing for content creators and marketers and individuals who want to make polished videos without crazy complexity. It's designed for those who want to prioritise ease of use and creative design while allowing users to focus on content rather than technical details. While Tella does not have many collaborations or productivity features as Loom, it excels in providing a user-friendly platform for visually appealing video content. In summary, Loom is a better option for businesses and teams who need to communicate effectively, while Tella is ideal for creators seeking an ease-of-use, visually appeasing way to make a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.